नमस्कार, DNP हेल्थ में आपका स्वागत है।
Today we'll tell you about 10 herbs that help to control high blood pressure. Blood pressure is the measure of the force exerted by the flow of blood on your arterial walls. When the force of the blood flow is high, over time damage occurs. It stretches the tissue that makes up the walls of arteries beyond its healthy limit. Here are 10 herbs which may help prevent high blood pressure or hypertension. But here is a word of caution. If you are thinking of trying herbs for medical reasons, whether that means using the whole herb or a supplement, speak to your doctor first. Some herbs, especially in large quantities, may produce undesirable side effects or interfere with other medications. Basil. Basil is a delicious herb that goes well with a variety of foods. It might also help lower your blood pressure. Extract of basil has been shown to lower blood pressure, although only briefly. Adding fresh basil to your diet is easy and certainly can't hurt. Keep a small pot of the herb in your kitchen garden and add the fresh leaves to pastas, soups, salads and casseroles. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is another tasty seasoning that requires little effort to include in your daily diet, and it may bring your blood pressure down. Consuming cinnamon every day has been shown to lower blood pressure in people with diabetes. Include more cinnamon in your diet by sprinkling it on your breakfast cereal, oatmeal, and even on your coffee. At dinner, cinnamon enhances the flavor of stir fries, curries, and stews. Cardamom. Cardamom is a seasoning that comes from India and is often used in the foods of South Asia. A study investigating the health effects of cardamom found that participants given powdered cardamom daily for several months saw significant reduction in their blood pressure readings. You can include cardamom seeds or the powder in spice rubs, in soups and stews, and even in baked goods for a special flavor and a positive health benefit. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been found to lower blood pressure significantly. Flaxseed may protect against atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease by reducing serum cholesterol, improving glucose tolerance, and acting as an antioxidant. You can buy many products that contain flaxseed, but a better bet is to buy ground flaxseed or grind it yourself in a coffee grinder and add it to your home cooked meals. Store flaxseed in your freezer for optimum potency. Garlic. This pungent seasoning can do more than just flavor your food and ruin your breath. Garlic has the ability to lower your blood pressure by causing your blood vessels to relax and dilate. This lets blood flow more freely and reduces blood pressure. You can add fresh garlic to a number of your favorite recipes. If the flavor of garlic is just too strong for you, roast it first. Ginger. Ginger may help control blood pressure as it has been shown to improve blood circulation and relax the muscles surrounding the blood vessels. Commonly used in Asian foods, ginger is a very versatile ingredient that can also be used in sweets or beverages. Chop, mince or grate fresh ginger into stir fries, soups and noodle or vegetable dishes, or add it to desserts or tea for a refreshing taste. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a herbal remedy for high blood pressure that has been used in traditional Chinese medicines for thousands of years. Decoctions of hawthorn seem to have a whole host of benefits on cardiovascular health, including reduction of blood pressure, the prevention of clot formation, and an increase in blood circulation. You can take hawthorn as a pill, a liquid extract, or a tea. Celery seed. Celery seed is used to flavor soups, stews, casseroles and other savory dishes. Celery has long been used to treat hypertension in China. Now studies also show that it may be effective. You can use the seeds to lower blood pressure, but you can also extract the juice of the whole plant. Celery is a diuretic, which may help explain its effect on blood pressure. French lavender. Oil of lavender has long been used as a perfume ingredient and also to induce relaxation. The herb may also lower your blood pressure. Although not many people use lavender as a culinary herb, you can use the flowers in baked goods and the leaves can be used in the same way you would use rosemary. Cat's claw. Cat's claw is a herbal medicine used in traditional Chinese practice to treat hypertension as well as neurological health problems. Studies of cat's claw as a treatment for hypertension indicate that it may be useful in reducing blood pressure by acting on calcium channels in your cells. You can get cat's claw in supplement form from health food stores. Hope you like this video. For more such health related videos, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.